Hi guys. This LED is blinking, but its focusing lens is very good. Today I will show how to replace a good focusing lens with a simple LED. Separate the LED from the holder. The focusing lens should be separated with a sharp object. The work needs to be done very carefully. Otherwise, the focus lens will not spread the light properly. The focusing gel inside it is damaged. It is better to collect and replace this gel too. This is focusing gel. This is the focusing lens. Today I will replace the focusing lens as there are no more LEDs. It's a good LED, but its lens can't focus properly. So I will change its lens and replace the previous lens. Similarly, its focusing lens needs to be separated. Keeping the focusing gel in place, I placed the pre-focus lens and applied soft glue. Yes, the lens has changed. Hope it works properly. After that I will fix the rest of the work on the light holder. Yes. LED focusing lens change is successful. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and comment, if necessary.